Hi, welcome back to another video from Java for Beginners course from Course Labs. In this video, we're going to see how to read input from the keyboard. And this is our skeleton program that I have been using right from the beginning of this course. And for reading the input from the keyboard, there are multiple ways to do it. In our case, we are going to use the scanner class to actually do this. So let's create an object of type scanner. Let's instantiate this scanner, and this is going to be the object that we have to use. It is something that waits for the user input, right? So let me just import this scanner from java.util. This is another feature with Eclipse. If there is any package to be imported, or Eclipse will automatically suggest you, hey, please go ahead and import that. Right, now let's give some input for the user to enter something. It means we're asking the user, hey, please enter something. So let's say, please enter your name. Right, and then let's take that particular name that is being entered, string name equals to, let's use this particular input object, input dot next line. Okay, so this is basically for the string input. In case if you want to read integers, you can make it input dot next int. Right, so let's print this system.out.println, and let's print this name that is being taken from the user. Right, so let's see how it looks like. So I'm just going to save this program and let's run this. Okay, if you notice, it is basically looking for your user input. It says please enter your name. Let's say Course Labs. There you go. The name that you're actually entering is being displayed here. So let's say hello Course Labs. So let's enter this one more time, Course Labs. So it should say hello Course Labs. See that? So this is the way you can enter the input from the keyboard into your program, so that input will be processed by your Java program. So there are, as I mentioned, there are multiple ways to do this, but scanner is one among them. Alright, so hope you have enjoyed this video. We'll see exception handling in the next video.